Ladies, have you ever wondered what truly makes a man obsessed with you, not just interested, but addicted? Attraction isn't just about looks. It's about how you make him feel. Today I'll share 5 seductive moves that work like magic, all rooted in 3 key principles: confidence, mystery, and emotional connection. Confidence is the foundation of true attraction. It is the energy that speaks before you even say a word, the silent force that captivates people and makes them want to be around you. When it comes to making a man addicted to you, confidence is not just a nice quality to have, it is a necessity. Men are naturally drawn to women who exude self-assurance because confidence signals value, independence, and an unshakable sense of self. It tells the world and him that you know your worth and that you don't need validation from anyone to feel complete. The first step in owning your presence is understanding that confidence is not about perfection. Many people mistake confidence for arrogance or an over-the-top sense of superiority, but true confidence is something much deeper. It is about self-acceptance, embracing your flaws, and carrying yourself in a way that shows you are comfortable in your own skin. A confident woman is someone who does not need constant reassurance. She does not beg for attention or try too hard to impress. Instead, she radiates a quiet power that naturally draws people toward her. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to project confidence is through body language. Before you even say a word, your posture, eye contact, and movements send signals about how you feel about yourself. When you walk into a room, do so with purpose. Keep your head held high, shoulders back, and walk with an effortless grace. Avoid nervous fidgeting or slouching, as these can make you seem unsure of yourself. Instead, own your space. Take up room. Move with ease and assurance. A confident posture makes you appear more attractive and signals to others that you are a person worth noticing. Eye contact is another crucial element of confidence. Many people underestimate just how seductive strong eye contact can be. When you look someone in the eyes without hesitation, it creates an immediate connection. It shows that you are not afraid of being seen, that you are fully present in the moment. Holding a gaze just a little longer than usual with a slight smile can make a man feel a magnetic pull toward you. It is a silent way of saying, I see you and I am not afraid to let you see me too. This kind of unspoken confidence can be incredibly alluring. Another powerful tool in exuding confidence is the way you speak. A woman who owns her presence does not rush her words or speak in a hesitant, apologetic tone. Instead, she speaks with clarity and certainty. She does not shy away from expressing her thoughts and opinions. When engaging in conversation, take your time. Let your words carry weight. Avoid filler words like or I don't know too often, as these can make you appear uncertain. Instead, trust that what you have to say is valuable and say it with conviction. Confidence is also reflected in the way you handle social situations. A woman who owns her presence does not desperately cling to one person in a crowded room. She is comfortable moving through the space, engaging with different people, and maintaining an air of independence. She does not seek constant approval or validation. Instead, she knows that her presence alone is enough. This kind of effortless charm makes a man feel that being with her is a privilege, not something she is trying to win. Playful teasing is another subtle yet effective way to project confidence. When a woman is comfortable enough to tease a man in a light-hearted way, it shows that she is secure in herself. She is not afraid of losing his interest because she knows she is interesting. Playful banter creates a sense of excitement and challenge, making the interaction more dynamic. A confident woman does not put a man on a pedestal. Instead, she playfully challenges him, making him feel like he has to earn her attention. Another key aspect of confidence is maintaining a sense of mystery. A woman who owns her presence does not reveal everything about herself too quickly. She understands the power of intrigue. She allows a man to get to know her in layers, creating a sense of curiosity and excitement. Confidence means being comfortable with a little silence, not feeling the need to fill every moment with words. It means knowing that your presence is enough, that you do not need to prove yourself or overshare to keep someone's interest. Perhaps the most important part of confidence is self-love. A woman who truly owns her presence does not base her self-worth on external validation. She does not wait for a man's approval to feel beautiful, intelligent, or valuable. She already knows she is all of these things. This kind of inner confidence is what makes a woman truly magnetic. When a man senses that you are secure in yourself, that you do not need him to complete you but rather choose to share your energy with him, it creates an undeniable attraction. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you cultivate. It is built through experiences, through pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone, and through practicing self-care. It is about setting standards for yourself and refusing to settle for anything less than what you deserve. A woman who owns her presence does not chase, she attracts. She does not lower herself to seek attention. Attention naturally finds her. She understands that the most seductive thing she can wear is her self-assurance. So if you want to make a man addicted to you, start by becoming the kind of woman who is addicted to herself. Love your own company, pursue your passions, and carry yourself with the belief that you are enough. Because when you do, men will not be able to resist the energy you radiate. They will be drawn to you, not just for how you look, but for the confidence and power that you embody. Confidence is the key to making any man feel addicted to you, not just temporarily, but in a way that keeps him coming back for more. Mystery is one of the most powerful tools of attraction. It's the force that keeps a man intrigued, curious, and always wanting more. When something is too easily available, it loses its value. The same concept applies to attraction. If you give everything away too soon, your thoughts, your emotions, your availability, there's no room for curiosity, and curiosity is what fuels desire. The key to making a man addicted to you is not just about looking good or being interesting, but about maintaining an air of mystery that keeps him constantly engaged, wondering what's next, and feeling like there's always more to discover about you. One of the most seductive things about mystery is the way it plays with anticipation. When something is predictable, it becomes routine. And routine is the opposite of excitement. The mind craves newness, surprises, and the unknown. A mysterious woman does not lay all her cards on the table at once. Instead, she lets a man uncover things about her piece by piece. This slow reveal keeps him invested because he never quite feels like he fully knows her, which makes him keep coming back, eager to learn more. A key way to create mystery is by controlling how much you share about yourself. This doesn't mean being secretive or cold, but rather being selective with the details you reveal. Instead of giving long explanations about your life, keep things short and intriguing. If he asks about your weekend, don't go into a detailed timeline of everything you did. Instead, say something simple yet playful, like it was interesting. I'll tell you about it sometime. This leaves him with a sense of curiosity. What happened? Why won't she just say it now? By not giving everything away immediately, you make yourself more captivating. Another way to maintain an air of mystery is by being unpredictable. A woman who is always available, always texting first, and always responding instantly becomes predictable. Instead, vary your responses. Sometimes reply quickly, other times take your time. Sometimes initiate conversations, other times let him come to you. The goal is not to play games, but to create a dynamic where he is never completely sure what to expect. This keeps him on his toes and makes the interaction feel fresh and exciting. Mystery also extends to how you behave in person. Your body language, the way you look at him, and how you carry yourself all contribute to the aura of intrigue. A subtle smile, a lingering glance, or a moment of silence before responding can make a simple conversation feel charged with tension. When you don't reveal everything immediately, you create a space where chemistry can build naturally. A mysterious woman does not overshare or seek validation. She allows the silence between words to work in her favor, making every moment feel more significant. One of the most effective ways to create mystery is to have a life outside of him. A man should feel like he is a part of your world, not the center of it. When you are busy, passionate about your goals, and fully engaged in your own life, he will naturally wonder what you're up to when you're not with him. This sense of curiosity makes him want to be closer to you, to learn more about your world, and to feel like he is earning a place in it. The most magnetic women are those who have their own ambitions, interests, and social circles. They do not put their lives on hold for a man, they continue thriving, and this makes them incredibly attractive. A mysterious woman also understands the power of leaving things unfinished. When a conversation is going well, instead of dragging it on until there's nothing left to say, she ends it on a high note. This could be as simple as saying, "I have to run, but let's continue this another time." By leaving interactions slightly open-ended, you give him a reason to reach out again. The idea that there is always more to come, that he has not yet fully uncovered who you are, keeps his interest alive. Mystery is also about emotional depth. A woman who reveals all her emotions too quickly can sometimes overwhelm a man, making him feel like there is nothing left to explore. Instead, let your emotions unfold naturally over time. If something upsets you, take a moment before reacting. If you're excited about something, express it, but keep a bit of restraint. By allowing your emotions to develop in layers, you create a sense of depth that makes you more intriguing. The concept of mystery is not about manipulation, it's about maintaining your individuality and allowing a man to experience the excitement of discovering you over time. Men love the chase, not because they enjoy difficulty, but because they enjoy the journey of getting to know someone who keeps them engaged and challenged. When you are unpredictable, when you reveal things slowly, when you let a man feel like there is always more to learn about you, you become unforgettable. Mystery is not about playing hard to get, it's about being naturally captivating. It's about having a life that is full and rich on its own, so much so that a man feels privileged to be part of it. It's about never being an open book, but instead letting him turn the pages one at a time, keeping him addicted to the story that is you. When you master the art of mystery, you don't have to chase or convince a man to stay. He will keep coming back, drawn to the excitement, the challenge, and the never-ending discovery of who you are. Emotional connection is the key to making a man feel deeply attached to you. While physical attraction may catch his eye, it's the emotional bond that keeps him addicted and wanting more. Men, just like women, crave a connection that goes beyond surface-level attraction. They want to feel seen, understood, and valued in a way that makes them feel special. When a woman can create that deep emotional connection, she becomes irreplaceable in his mind and heart. One of the most powerful ways to build an emotional connection is through genuine attention. In a world filled with distractions, giving someone your full, undivided attention is rare and meaningful. When he speaks, really listen. Don't just wait for your turn to talk, be present. Make eye contact, nod in understanding, and show interest in what he's saying. Ask thoughtful questions that encourage him to open up. When a man feels that you truly listen and care about what he says, he begins to associate you with comfort and emotional safety. Beyond listening, understanding his emotions is crucial. Many men grow up feeling like they have to suppress their deeper feelings, so when they find someone who makes them feel safe enough to express their emotions, it creates a powerful bond. If he shares something vulnerable, don't judge or dismiss it. Instead, acknowledge his feelings and let him know you appreciate his openness. Phrases like "that makes sense," "I understand why you feel that way," or even just a simple "I'm here for you" can mean the world to him. Empathy plays a huge role in strengthening an emotional connection. It's not just about understanding his words, but also sensing what he's feeling beneath them. If he had a tough day, instead of giving quick solutions, offer support and reassurance. Let him know it's okay to feel stressed, frustrated, or even lost sometimes. This kind of emotional validation makes him feel truly seen, and when a man feels that, he naturally wants to be closer to you. Another way to make a man feel special is by recognizing and appreciating his unique qualities. Every man wants to feel like he brings something valuable to a relationship. Compliment his strengths, whether it's his intelligence, sense of humor, ambition, or kindness. But don't just give generic compliments, be specific. Instead of saying, "You're so smart," try, "I love the way you think about things. You always have such a unique perspective." When compliments feel personal, they hit deeper and create a lasting impact. Beyond words, actions matter even more. Small gestures of thoughtfulness can make a man feel incredibly special. If you know he has a busy day ahead, send him an encouraging message. If he mentioned his favorite snack in passing, surprise him with it. If he talks about a goal or dream, support him in ways that show you believe in him. These little acts of kindness show that you're paying attention and that you genuinely care about his happiness. Laughter and shared experiences also strengthen emotional connections. When you create memories together, it deepens the bond between you. Playful teasing, inside jokes, or even just silly moments of fun can make a relationship feel light and effortless. A man who feels like he can be himself around you without pressure or judgment will naturally feel more drawn to you. Being emotionally available is just as important as expecting him to be. If you want a deep emotional connection, you have to be willing to share your own emotions and thoughts too. Let him see different sides of you, your dreams, fears, hopes, and vulnerabilities. When you open up, it invites him to do the same. Emotional intimacy is a two-way street, and a strong connection comes from both people feeling safe enough to be their true selves. One of the most powerful aspects of making a man feel special is making him feel like he is enough. The world often tells men they need to be stronger, richer, or more successful to be valuable. When you show him that you appreciate him for who he is, without conditions, it creates a sense of deep emotional security. He won't just be attracted to you, he will feel safe with you, and that feeling is addictive. Supporting his dreams and goals can also build a strong emotional bond. Encourage him to pursue his passions and remind him that you believe in his abilities. When a man feels that the woman in his life truly supports him, he will naturally feel a deeper attachment to her. He will see her as not just a romantic partner, but as a teammate in life. At the same time, maintaining your own independence and personal happiness is essential. A woman who has her own passions, ambitions, and sense of fulfillment is incredibly attractive. It shows that you're not relying on him for all of your emotional needs, which actually makes him respect and desire you more. When he sees that you're happy with or without him, it makes him want to be part of your happiness even more. Emotional connection isn't about playing games or following a strict set of rules. It's about genuinely understanding, appreciating, and valuing each other in a way that feels effortless. When a man feels emotionally connected to you, he doesn't just want to be around you, he craves it. He will look forward to your conversations, miss you when you're not around, and feel a sense of emotional fulfillment that keeps him coming back. By making him feel special, truly seen, and emotionally secure, you create a bond that is deeper than just attraction. You become the person he turns to for comfort, joy, and connection, and in doing so you make yourself unforgettable.